Learning the art of speech and body language is essential for everyone throughout their lives. However, what is important to me is that for those who interact more with authority figures, this type of training is necessary and obligatory. They must constantly adapt their gaze, behavior, and interactions with different individuals. In this regard, our officials, authorities, and employees also need this type of training. I believe that someone who learns body language based on the essence of verbal communication and the foundation of internal reactions, as well as the requirements that are often implied rather than stated, can better succeed in their work, life, and behavior.
Yeah, and we held a public speaking and body language course today, focusing on one of the fundamentals of public speaking. Our scope included all university personnel, and all staff could participate in this training course. Our goal was to empower employees in line with the university's policies, particularly in the areas of communication skills, administrative behavior, administrative prestige, and public speaking. We have planned many courses, and if these courses prove to be effective and positive, we will certainly plan more for future sessions.
I think the workshop mainly prepares managers for negotiations, and it is very useful for me as I am attending this workshop for the first time. The workshop is one suitable for negotiating and interacting with colleagues and business partners.
My request is that these workshops be held again for managers, as they are necessary and essential. This workshop not only has practical applications in administrative matters, but also significantly impacts individuals' personal lives. Colleagues have responded very positively.
The meeting was very useful and informative considering our field of work, which is medical equipment. The necessity of holding multiple work sessions and interactions with companies was very beneficial and educational for us. My suggestion is to extend the time if possible so that these sessions can be held, particularly allowing the same colleagues to participate at different times.